Whoa, you are back. Welcome. In this video, we will be talking about the Simple Energy's one electric scooter. So let's get started with the video. So let me give you a brief of Simple Energy One. The Simple Energy One is an Indian-based startup company which is making electric scooters, or which aims at making electric scooters or e-vehicles, and their first model is Simple Energy One. So we will be taking a look at this and we will see how it compares to the OLA S1 Pro electric scooter. So let's get started. So let's compare the Simple Energy One with OLA's S1 Pro electric scooter. Let's talk about the range. So the OLA S1 Pro comes with a 181 km per charge range, while the Simple Energy One comes with a 236 km per charge, and that's the selling point of the Simple Energy One. And in real life testing, it went up to 203 km per charge, so that's pretty good compared to the OLA S1 Pro. Then coming to the motor power, the OLA S1 Pro has a 8.5 kilowatt motor, while the Simple Energy One has a 4.5 kilowatt motor. So the OLA S1 Pro has almost the double powerful motor as that of the Simple Energy One. So the OLA S1 Pro has a torque of 58 Newton meter, while the Simple Energy One has a bigger torque of 72 Newton meter. So since the OLA S1 Pro has a powerful motor, that's why the speed of the OLA S1 Pro is 115 km per hour, and that of the Simple Energy One is 105 km per hour. And personally speaking, there is no such issue with the speed of the Simple Energy One, because no one likes to take the scooter or electric scooter or kind of any type of scooter, no one takes it beyond the 80 km per hour speed. So that is okay for both these scooters. Then coming to the battery, the OLA S1 Pro has a small 3.97 kilowatt hour battery, while the Simple Energy One has 4.8 kilowatt hour battery. That is very big, and it has two parts. One part is detachable while one part is fixed. The bigger part is fixed while the smaller part can be detachable. And talking of the KERB weight, this OLA S1 Pro comes with a 125 kg, while the Simple Energy One comes with a lighter 110 kg. And talking of the OLA S1 Pro, it can go from 0 to 40 km per hour in just 3 seconds, while the Simple Energy One can go from 0 to 40 in just 2.95 seconds. And talking of the charging, if you are charging at your home, then the OLA S1 Pro takes about 6.3 hours, while the Simple Energy One goes from 0 to 80% in 2.75 hours, and that's on home charger, which means the charging is slow. And also the OLA S1 Pro supports fast charging, where 18 minutes of charge can give you 75 km of range. And those were the things. And also both have a 7-inch touchscreen display with 4G support, Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth support, and both have their own unique features. Also the motor and the battery of Simple Energy One are IP67 water and dust resistant. That means they can survive great dust and water, so that's a great thing. And this scooter was unveiled on 15th of August, and it cost about 1,10,000 rupees, similar to that of OLA S1 Pro. But as you know that the cheapest model of OLA S1 Pro is of 1,10,000 rupees. That will be only available in Gujarat, and all other state it will be pricier, and here in Maharashtra it will be around 1,23,000 rupees. So that's hefty price, but there are no confirmation about the Simple Energy One's different pricing. They have said that it will be around 1.9 or 1.10 lakh rupees. They haven't talked about the different pricing of different states, so I think the price will be uniform throughout every state, so that will be a great thing. Also the scooter is not available yet. It is expected that the scooter will be available from January 2022, so hope that it will be available from January only. No such delay should take place. Also you can pre-book the electric scooter by going to the simpleenergy.in website. I will leave the link in the description box below. You can go and pre-book for yourself. It costs around 1947 rupees to pre-book, but the OLA S1 Pro has a pre-booking price of just 499 rupees. But don't worry about that, the Simple Energy One's pre-booking amount is refundable, so don't worry about that. If you are pre-booking right now and then after you don't want to buy, the amount is 100% refundable. So I think that this scooter has beat the ass of the OLA S1 Pro. I know that the Simple Energy One does not have a top speed of 115 km like the OLA's S1 Pro electric scooter, but as I stated in the earlier part of the video that no one likes to take the scooter beyond the 18 km per hour speed, so that will not be an issue. And also the range is pretty good, and you can now easily take that scooter to 50 km or 100 km or far distances. The only problem with the Simple Energy One is that it is made by a startup, which means the brand is pretty small, so it will be hard for them to provide the charging station in every part of the country. The name of their charging station network is called as Loop. So if you want to become a retail partner or you want to set up Loop charging station, you can go to their website and ask them, or there are detail mention how you can apply for that, so you can go for that also. So I think that the charging station would be the only problem with them, because they are small company and Ola is very big company, so they will be able to spread that charging station throughout the country very easily compared to the Simple Energy. So let's hope for the best. And
so I forgot to tell you that the Simple Energy one is eligible for the central government subsidy scheme known as FAME 2, and the subsidy is worth 60,000 rupees, and state subsidies are excluded in it. That means if your state provides subsidy on electric vehicles, then you can also get that subsidy from state also. So a lot of benefits for electric vehicles.
And this scooter was made by an Indian startup, so makes us proud. And also I can say that probably this is the best scooter that is available at around 1,10,000 rupees. And also the Ola S1 Pro looks kind of a scooter, but the Simple Energy one looks like a kind of racing scooter like the Honda Dio or TVS Ntorq. So it is great for youth people. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Catch you guys in the next video. Till then, this is Karan Gade signing off.